little update, guys. We were racing to get to this trail on time. We are on Steel Bender today. Super excited. First time I've done this one as well. Got Bond leading, Juice is in second. I'm third. We also have our customer Adan, and then another friend of ours, Mike, as well, customer as well.
Hey guys, Bond here from Rebel, and today is day 27 of wheeling in Moab. No, I'm just kidding, it's day 3, and we're on Steel Bender, trail I haven't done in a long time, so I'm looking forward to doing it. I actually couldn't even remember how beautiful the entrance is coming in here. It's absolutely stunning. There's a few river crossings, there's a little lake that's got a boat in it. It's super cool. So we're getting to some of the first obstacles. Follow along, and today's going to be a fantastic day. Cheers, guys.
Hey Tom, trail update.
Trail update?
What's going on?
Go put it in the South African's face. What are we doing? Where are we?
We're on Metal Mash.
Steel Bender.
There you go. All right, where are we? We're on Steel Bender.
Steel Bender.
Steel Bender, because you know what? Oh, it bends the steel. It's really bad. It's gnarly. However, if you have a Jeep which is made out of aluminum, it should be all right. It's not made out of steel. Bad joke. Bad dad joke. All right. Now we're on Steel Bender, having fun. We're on parts of the trail that we've never done before, which is nice. Something new for me too. You know, I've been coming here for many years, and being able to drive and stuff that I haven't done before is great. Yeah. Doing a bit of exploring, having a good time.
It's pretty cool.
Don, how are you?
Yeah, give us an update. How you doing?
Doing great. Incredible. The scenery. You got snow, you got sand, you got rock, vegetation. I'm loving it.
Did you bring your carrots?
I bring the carrots. Let's go.
How's your Jeep?
The Jeep's doing great. It's articulating well. I moved a little bit stiffer the suspension. Now it's a little better.
Yep.
And I'm loving it. Exploring what it can do, learning a lot.
Don, what's up with the Gremlin?
Well, the Gremlin is, when I was a little boy, my cousin Jose Juan took me to see gremlins, and I was very, very young. And that gave me nightmares, and it's the first time I remember really feeling fear. So that is to conquer my fears. Every time I see an obstacle, I go, no. I look at that gremlin and go, let's go, gremlin, follow me. So I think everybody remembers the first time they felt real fear. So there you go, man. Conquer your fears.
slow.
Really slow. You don't want to smack this bed? Like that. You don't want to smack this bed? Like that. That's the opposite of what you're doing. It's just the fender, you're good. Luckily they're replaceable. Hold on. That's a gnarly obstacle, dude.
Aye, buddy. What are you doing to my vehicle? I'm gonna teach you that
I
throttle control.
was doing the 2 foot. Should I have been in neutral the whole time though?
No, if you're down, just have to drive it slower. But hey, it's just a fender. Like,
Slow is smooth.
slow is smooth, slow is fast.
Smooth is
fast
fast.
is smooth. Well guys, that's a wrap on Steel Bender. That was lots of fun. Close quarters, some decent drops, and just enough to keep things interesting. But honestly, that was just a warm-up. Next up, we'll be taking on one of the most legendary trails out here, Hell's Revenge. Make sure you subscribe, because our next episodes only get better.